A ray of hope. Could sunshine vitamin hold anti-aging secrets? We all think about aging, but what if we could age slower? What if we could feel younger for longer? Scientists are always looking for answers. New research brings exciting possibilities. It suggests simple things might make a big difference. What if a common vitamin could help? A vitamin many of us already know. Could this nutrient hold a secret? A secret to a longer, healthier life. This is not science fiction. This is based on new scientific studies. Recently, a new study has caught attention. It focuses on a very specific vitamin. Researchers investigated its effects on aging. The vitamin in question is vitamin D. Let's delve into what scientists are discovering. The ticking clock. Understanding biological versus chronological age. We all have a chronological age. This is simply the number of birthdays you have had. It tells you how long you have lived on Earth. This number only goes up. It cannot be changed. It's a fixed measure of time passed. But there is another type of age. This is called biological age. It is quite different from your chronological age. Biological age reflects the health of your cells. It shows how well your body is functioning. It can be influenced by lifestyle. Things like diet, exercise, and stress matter. Your biological age can be older or younger. Why is biological age so important? Because it is a better indicator of your health. The exciting new study on vitamin D connects to this. It found that vitamin D might reduce biological age. More than just bones. Why vitamin D is crucial for health. Most people know vitamin D is good for bones. It helps our bodies absorb calcium. Calcium is vital for strong bones and teeth. Without enough vitamin D, bones can become weak. This can lead to problems like rickets in children and osteoporosis in older adults. So yes, vitamin D is crucial for skeletal health, but its role does not stop there. Vitamin D is actually a hormone. It is not just a simple vitamin. As a hormone, it has widespread effects. It influences many different systems in our body. Nearly every cell has a receptor for vitamin D. This means vitamin D can talk to your cells. It can tell them what to do. This makes it incredibly important for overall health. One key area is your immune system. Vitamin D plays a vital role here. Section 4. The indoor epidemic, modern life and widespread vitamin D gaps. So, where do we get vitamin D? Interestingly, the main source isn't food. Our bodies are actually designed to make it. We produce vitamin D when our skin is exposed to sunlight, specifically UVB rays from the sun. This is why it's often called the sunshine vitamin. But today, our lifestyles have changed dramatically. Most of us spend our days indoors, working in offices under artificial lights. Even when we do go outside, we often use sunscreen to protect against skin cancer, but it also blocks UVB rays. The result of this modern lifestyle? Widespread vitamin D deficiency. Understanding this gap is the first step towards addressing it. Section 5. Unlocking longevity. How vitamin D might turn back our biological clock. So, how exactly might vitamin D slow down aging? What is the science behind these exciting claims? Recent studies, including the one we mentioned, point to several ways. It's not just one single mechanism. Vitamin D seems to work on multiple fronts to protect our cells and keep them youthful. Let's look at some of these pathways. One important area is gene expression. Vitamin D can interact with our DNA, influencing which genes are turned on and which are turned off. Another key factor is inflammation. Chronic, low-grade inflammation is a driver of aging, often referred to as inflammaging. Vitamin D has powerful anti-inflammatory properties, helping to calm down this chronic inflammation. Finally, let's consider cell regeneration and DNA repair. Section 6. Supplementing wisely, navigating vitamin D for a healthier you. Hearing all this, you might be tempted to rush out and buy vitamin D supplements. It sounds like a simple fix, right? But it's important to approach this wisely. More is not always better with vitamins, especially fat-soluble ones like vitamin D. Don't just guess what you need. The very first step is to get tested. A simple blood test, often called a 25-hydroxy-vitamin D test, can measure your vitamin D levels. Knowing your current level is crucial because it tells you if you are deficient, insufficient, or optimal. If your test shows you are low, what then? Supplementation can be a very effective solution. Always talk to your doctor or a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement. Section 7. Your sunshine strategy. Embracing vitamin D for a brighter future. The latest research on vitamin D is truly exciting. It suggests this humble vitamin may offer more than we thought, more than just strong bones. It could be a valuable ally in our quest for healthier aging, a way to help keep our biological clock ticking slower. This is a promising area of ongoing study, and one that holds great potential for public health. Imagine the impact on well-being. Of course, science is always evolving, and one study is rarely the final word. More research is needed to fully understand the long-term effects and optimal strategies. But the evidence for vitamin D's broader benefits is growing. It's a nutrient that deserves our attention for its role in immunity, mood, and now, potentially aging. So what can you do with this information today? Start by thinking about your own vitamin D status. Are you getting regular, safe sun exposure? Sunlight is the best natural source after all. Taking proactive steps for your health is empowering.